welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Jamsaysyumm Food and Travel Vlogs. And of course, hindi tayo once again makalabas kasi girl, naka-lockdown ngayon. Walang travel, walang restaurant reviews and food reviews. Pero ngayon, gagawa tayo ng bagong drink na naman and it's called iced coffee, like literal iced na coffee. And I'm very excited to show you. It's very easy. Mas madali pa siya kumpara sa DALGONA COFFEE, I swear. But anyways, if you want to learn how to do that, just keep on watching. So mga best, napakadali lang. Unang-una, kumuha muna tayo ng 2 tasa ng mainit na tubig. Okay, 2 cups of hot water. And then get your instant coffee. Ayan. So kahit anong coffee na to, wala nang pa-classic-classic. Kung ano meron ka, yun ang kunin mo. At magtimpla ka ng kape. Yung normal na kape. Ayan. So, ipo-pour ka na. Walang sponsor dito, okay? Kanya-kanyang bayad yan. Kanya-kanyang pila sa grocery ng 2 oras. Ganun. Cormorant sa pangalawang cup, mga moms. Ayan. Oh my gosh, nagkakalat ako. Hangin pa more. After that, girls, haluin natin. Baka matapon, mainit, ma-aksidente pa ako. Oh my gosh, sarado mga hospital. Sarado! Puno ang mga hospital, di pwede. So this one you can do in advance, like ahead of time. Para kinabukasan, pak na. Pagkatapos yan, once again, get an ice molder, kung ano man tawag dito, basta yung tagagawa ng ice. And then, what you do, ito medyo nakakatakot kasi napakainit nito, besh, napakainit talaga. Ipo-pour natin yung kape sa ice molder. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag talaga dito sa kape ito. Basta nakikita ko sa social na mga cafe like UCC. Pero ito, basta, version natin to, iced coffee. Ipo-pour mo lang, moms. Ipo-pour mo. Ganyan. Pag may sobra, i-tilt mo lang para malipat sa ibang area. Okay, pour it. Carefully pour it, mga besh. Kung may funnel ka, mas magaling. Actually, may pa-funnel ako, pero dahil sa video, para makita nyo, ginagawa ko to. See, that's the reason why you need 2 cups. Pero syempre, kung may malaki na kayong lalagyanan, syempre, huwag na kayo mag-2 cups, gamitin nyo na yan. Ako lang naman kasi syunga. So, I'm gonna use a funnel na ha. Okay, para evenly distributed. Actually, mas madali siyang may funnel, guys. Wow, ang galing ko dito. I'm so brainy here sa style na to, sa part na to. So, ito na po ang ating coffee na nasa ice molder at i-freeze natin. So, ayan, frozen na po siya. Naging ice cubes na po ang ating kape. Next thing to do is to get a glass. We are gonna get a glass and then transfer it here. So, we're gonna transfer it here na wala po ang aking kutsara. Ganyanin nyo lang, mga besh. Ganyanin nyo lang. Okay, that's so nice. Look, oh. Diba? There you go. Now, it's time to actually just pour your milk. I'm using almond milk once again to start pouring it like that. Oh my gosh. That is so heavenly. There you go. Here is your napakadaling iced coffee, literal iced coffee. May ibang term dyan. Bala kayo kung anong term gusto nyo dyan. But I'm gonna mix it a bit. I'm very excited. So, papatunawin mo lang siya and then, oh my gosh, inumin mo. I have my metal straw once again. There. Ayan, ang cute, diba? So, patunawin ko lang konti and let's taste. Oh my gosh. Girl, that's good. Dagdagan natin ng yellow. Definitely masarap at mas madaling gawin kumpara sa DALGONA COFFEE, mom. Diba? So yeah, that's it for me for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below kung na-try nyo na. Bigyan nyo ang feedback. And I'm very excited to see you on the next episodes of Co-Vids. Bye!